Are you working hard to achieve your goals and dreams, to expand your business, to move forward in your career, and maybe napapagod ka na? At baka narinig mo yung sinasabi nilang, work smart. And the idea is, pwede ka daw yumaman without working really hard. If you're gonna ask me, there's nothing wrong with working smart. But a lot of people don't understand what that means. Now hear me out. If you wanna go from point A to point B, let's just say from Laguna to Cubao, working hard means lakarin mo, takbuhin mo. But working smart means sumakay ka ng van. But you have to understand na hindi ka makakasakay ng van kung wala kang pambayad. So yes, you can work smart, but you need money to work smart. Let's just say you wanna go from Manila to Cebu. Hindi ka pwedeng sumakay ng bus. Hindi ka pwedeng sumakay ng van. Hindi ka pwedeng sumakay ng tricycle. Kailangan mo sumakay sa eroplano. Which means that there's a specific vehicle for a specific destination. So if you wanna earn millions, there's a specific vehicle for that. But if you wanna earn 100 millions, billions, kailangan mo ng mas malaking vehicle. What's my point here? The vehicles that you see, the businesses, the opportunities, lahat yan available para sa'yo. Yes, working smart is available for you. Except, most of you won't choose the right vehicle. And the truth is, kahit gaano kaganda yung vehicle na ibigay sa'yo, ikaw pa rin ang magmamaneho ng vehicle. Kahit gaano kaganda yung negosyo, kahit gaano kabilis yung kotse, ikaw pa rin ang magmamaneho ng kotse. Ikaw pa rin ang magmamaneho ng negosyo mo. Ikaw pa rin ang magmamaneho ng buhay mo. So yes, you really can work smart. But before you can work smart, before you can utilize all the tools available for you, you have to have self-mastery first. At nandyan yung hard work. Nandyan yung pagod. When you try to master yourself. And in this video, I will share with you a 5-step process for you to have self-mastery. And step number 1 is show up. Take action. Do something. Because you won't discover your triggers. What triggers you? What annoys you? What makes you happy? What makes you excited? Hindi mo malalaman kung anong gusto mo at hindi mo makikilala kung sino ka if you won't expose yourself. Kung hindi mo ipapakita yung sarili mo, hindi mo makikilala yung sarili mo. And the problem with most people is, they overthink. Tama ba yung gagawin ko? Kailangan ko ba yung gawin? Pwede ko ba yung gawin? Hanggang sa wala na silang nagagawa. But if you really wanna move forward, if you really wanna work smart, just show up. And you may be asking, what does that mean, Sir MJ? One example is just show up to the gym. Show up in your job. Show up in your business. Show up in school. Whatever you are doing right now, just show up. And remember 3 things. Take massive action, extreme focus, and be present in the moment. So when you show up at school and you're taking massive action, you're trying your best, you're giving 100%, you will discover saan ka ba magaling, saan ka ba mahina. You will discover your triggers. Naiinis ka ba sa mga may masabi lang? Or sa mga bida-bida? Or sa mga bully? Or baka ikaw yun? Masyado ka bang emosyonal? Alam mo ba yung sagot pero hindi ka nagtataas ng kamay? Do you always volunteer as a leader? Or maybe you know how to lead. Maybe you know what to do. Pero hindi ka nagvo-volunteer because you have fear. You have doubts. If you show up in your job, lagi mo bang sinisilip yung katrabaho mo? May inggit ka ba sa katrabaho mo? Lagi ka bang late? Lagi ka bang on time? Masama ba loob mo sa boss mo? Masama ba ugali mo? Toxic ka ba? Meron ka bang katrabahong masama ugali? Natitrigger ka ba sa kanya? O baka ikaw yung toxic? Meron ka bang idea na hindi mo ma-share sa katrabaho mo? Meron ka bang idea na hindi mo ma-share sa boss mo? And maybe you know that this idea can create massive value. Maybe you know that this idea can help the whole business. But the thing is, you have fear. You have self-doubt. You are insecure. Or maybe gusto mo munang tumaas yung sweldo mo bago mo i-share yung idea. Nagkukompute ka ba masyado ng trabaho? Matuos ka ba sa trabaho? O masipag ka talaga? In your business, in your career, how do you show up? How do you decide during a struggle? How do you decide when you are facing challenges? If you have a business, masaya ka bang nagpapasweldo? Maluag ka bang nagpapasweldo? Dumating na ba sa point na walang-wala ka na, sagad ka na, at gumagawa ka na lang ng paraan para maisalba yung negosyo mo, wala ka ng ibang nasa isip ngayon kundi mabigyan yung team mo, matulungan yung mga tao sa paligid mo, na kahit lumubog ka sa utang basta makapagbigay ka ng sweldo, and then you are happy around it, that you are celebrating it as a win? Or maybe nababurnout ka na sa ginagawa mo, napapagod ka na bilang negosyante, na baka para sa'yo, ang tagal mo ng negosyante, pero hindi ka pa rin kumikita ng malaki. Maybe break-even lang yung negosyo mo. Or maybe, nag-aabono ka pa. But how do you show up during a struggle? How do you decide What's the thought process? Anong nararamdaman ng puso mo? How do you act? Pag may challenges ba, tumutupi ka? Or pag may challenges, alam mo sa sarili mo na kapag nalampasan mo yung challenges, you will have a breakthrough. Alam mo sa sarili mo na kapag nalampasan mo yung challenges, dyan ka mag-grow as a person at dyan mag-grow yung business mo, yung career mo. How do you react during a failure? Paano kapag konti ang benta? Paano kapag hindi ka makabenta? Paano ka mag-react pag puro rejection? Pag puro failure? Pag puro negative na yung nangyayari sa'yo? You just have to show up that way, makikilala mo kung sino ka. Malalaman mo kung ano gusto mo. May expose ka sa iba't ibang klase ng tao at dyan mo madidiscover ang realidad ng buhay. And when you show up, and when you are consistent in showing up, which is pattern recognition. And according to my mentor, Tony Robbins, this is the number one skill na kailangan nating i-master. I remember attending Unleash the Power Within and Date with Destiny. Lagi niyang sinasabi, number one yan. You have to know how to recognize the patterns. And in one of his latest content, sinabi niya rin doon, the top 3 skills that you need to learn to actually move forward, to become successful. Number 1 doon is pattern recognition. I'm gonna put the link in the description para makita nyo mismo yung video ni Uncle Tony, my mentor, gano'n ba ka-powerful ang pattern recognition. And that's step 2. Meaning, as you show up, you have to recognize your own patterns. Because Tony Robbins said, weak people react, leaders anticipate. And for you to anticipate what will happen and what can happen, you have to recognize the patterns. If you are a businessman, you have to recognize the patterns in the business you're in. You have to recognize the patterns in your country. Because all the decisions that we are making every single day, it is based on our patterns. Think about it. Meron ka bang mga bagay na ginagawa pa ulit-ulit? Pwedeng nakakatulong sa'yo, pwedeng hindi. But the thing is, since you are doing it over and over a period of time, sanay na sanay ka nang gawin. To the point that your body knows how to do it better than your mind. Hindi mo na kailangan isipin. Automatic na. So may mga tao na automatic nagre-react. Automatic negative. Automatic toxic. Automatic tamad. Automatic inaantok. Automatic laging pagod. But either way, it is something na nakasanayan na nila based on their patterns. That is why, in step 1, we are showing up for us to understand that this is how we show up. Ito tayo. Ganun pala ako. Mabilis pala akong mapagod. Mabilis pala akong antukin. Mabilis pala akong sumuko. Hindi ko pala tinatapos yung mga dapat kong tapusin. You have to recognize the patterns. And the idea is, if you are in the Philippines right now, di ba we are in a crisis? Weak people will blame the government. Weak people will blame other people. Kasalanan ni ganito, kasalanan ni ganon, kasalanan ng dilaw, ng pula, ng itim, ng green, ng blue. I don't care. Because I know there are patterns. Kaya lang, pag may crisis, bagsak ang marketplace, mataas ang opportunities, ang pattern ng mga weak na tao, ang pattern ng mga mahihirap, they save the money. Tumutupi sila. They fall. They can't decide. They are too emotional. Instead of playing the game, they are being played by social media. Nadidistract sila sa mga issues. Pero ang mga mayayaman, yes, ikaw, kung hindi ka pa mayaman, for sure, payaman ka na. Because you are watching this video now. And you will now understand the power of pattern recognition. That when crisis is up, the marketplace is down, opportunities are up. So ang mga mayayaman ngayon bumibili. Ang mga mayayaman ngayon nagtatanim. Ngayon nagagrab ng opportunity. Because if you will look at the patterns, kahit anong mangyari, tayong mga Pilipino, makaka-recover tayo. Makaka-move forward tayo. Makakabawi ang economy natin. I want you to reflect right now. When that happens, poor people, weak people will now buy. Bakit? Wala ng crisis, mataas ang marketplace. Pero when you look at the rich people, the leaders, by the time na wala ng crisis masyado, mataas na ang marketplace, that's the time that we will sell. So during a crisis, pag bagsak ang marketplace, we buy low, we sell high. So while the weak people are emotional, we are grabbing the opportunities. That's why it's time for you to grow now. It's time for you to show up now. For you to recognize the patterns. Ngayon yung time na dapat nagtatanim tayo. That's why if you are watching this video, you have an unfair advantage. And now, since you know your own patterns, alam mo kung saan ka mahina, alam mo kung saan ka malakas, alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong baguhin, step number 3 is be clear with your vision. Because if you want to be pointed towards the right direction, you have to have a destination and you have to know where you are. Saan ka ba papunta? So step 1 and step 2 will help you acknowledge where you are and where you wanna go. Kasi nga alam mo na yung ayaw mo, alam mo na yung gusto mo, alam mo na kung ano yung pwedeng humarang sa'yo. Kasi nga unti-unting nakikilala mo yung sarili mo because you are now showing up and you are now recognizing your own patterns and the patterns around you. But step number 3 is deciding where you wanna go. Saan mo ba gusto mong pumunta? Gusto mo bang yumaman? Gusto mo bang maging successful? Gusto mo bang i-build yung business mo? Gusto mo bang i-expand yung business mo? I-expand yung career mo? Mag-grow as a person? Mag-build ng mas maayos na relationship sa mga tao sa paligid mo? It can be with your partner, your friends, your family. The point is, you just have to have a vision. Saan ka papunta? Because again, self-mastery is the hard work. And since it's hard work, it's hard to recognize the patterns, it's hard to show up, it's hard to be consistent, it's hard to build discipline. Guys, yung vehicles madali. But you have to choose to drive the right vehicle. Ang daming tools available ngayon. Pero hindi natin ma-utilize lahat ng tools available ngayon. It's because pabebe tayo, emotional tayo, overthinker tayo. Maybe we are procrastinating. That is why we are talking about self-mastery here. So step 3 is for us to understand that it's worth it. The hard work is worth it. The sacrifice is worth it. Kasi doon tayo papunta. We are going somewhere. Alam natin na yung future, it's something pleasurable to us. It's something that we really want. It's something na dati na nating pinapangarap. And I'm here to tell you, lahat ng meron ako ngayon guys, dating pangarap lang. Dating ini-imagine ko lang. Dating pinagpe-pray ko lang. And just like you, habang iniisip ko yung pangarap ko, minsan pinagdududahan ko din. Habang iniisip ko, habang ini-imagine ko yung vision ko, napapatanong din ako sa sarili ko, kaya ko ba talaga? Deserve ko ba talaga? Pwede ba talaga siyang mangyari? But I am a living proof that it can happen. At alam nyo ba, I have the privilege to be working with a lot of people transforming their lives for the better. At nakita ko rin to sa iba. I remember teaching self-mastery to 7 people. And it started with this lovely couple. Grabe yung puso nila, sila yung nagbayad sa buong team. Kaya lang na-realize namin that when people pay, they pay attention. Ibig sabihin, since yung mga kasama nila, libre, hindi lahat nagstay. So sa 7 tinuruan, 4 lang ang natira. Hindi pa laging active yung 2. And last year lang guys, in their real estate business, they are able to generate 747 million sales. And with our last speaking engagement recently, 1.5 billion sales na yung goal nila this year. Ganyan ka-powerful ang self-mastery, guys. If you can master yourself. Kasi again, ang daming tools available. But for us to utilize all the tools, we have to master ourselves. At isa sa main ingredient is yung vision. Lahat ng successful na nakilala ko, na minentor ko, na natulungan ko, na nakasama ko, na nakatrabaho ko, na naging kaibigan ko, even clients ko, lahat 100%, meron silang vision at malinaw sa kanila kung saan sila papunta. So yes, you have to be clear with your vision. And once you are clear with your vision, step number 4 is rebuild yourself conducive to your vision. You have to build a new identity. You have to build a new self-image na align sa vision mo. Align kung saan ka papunta. And we already made a video about this. Balikan nyo yung episodes natin about changing the identity. Since we are able to define where we wanna go, para mahanap mo yung tamang vehicle at para maging tamang driver ka nung vehicle na yon, for you to reach the point B, for you to reach your vision, you have to develop yourself. I'm gonna give you an example. Again, if you wanna go from Manila to Cebu, kailangan mong sumakay ng eroplano. There's a specific vehicle for that. At dapat biyaheng Cebu, hindi biyaheng London. Kasi ang destination mo Cebu. Kailangan malinaw siya. Pero para hindi ka magkamali ng sasakyang vehicle, para hindi ka magkamali ng direction and destination, you have to be clear and you have to have self-mastery. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong kontrolin yung sarili mo. So in terms of building your identity and your self-image, at alam kong alam mo to, tayo mismo sinasabotahin natin yung sarili nating success. Na kahit alam natin na itong vehicle na to, itong eroplano na to, itong sasakyan na to, papunta sa destination na gusto kong puntahan, ikaw mismo hindi ka sumasakay. Because you keep telling yourself na hindi ka pa ready, na baka hindi para sa'yo, na baka hindi mo kaya, na baka ma-reject ka, na wala ka pang puhunan. And all these stories na hindi naman nakakatulong sa'yo. Because again, we formulate stories in our mind, we tend to feel based on how we look at ourselves. And may nakita ka na ba na mayaman, pero kung umasta, parang first time lang nakahawak ng pera. Yung sobrang yabang nila, yung sobrang arrogante sila. Kasi nga, baka hindi pa nagbabago yung self-image nila. Nakakita ka na ba ng tao na nakapagnegosyo, tapos yumaman, pero biglang bumagsak yung negosyo? Kasi nga, baka nasa tamang vehicle na sila eh. Dinala sila sa millions of money, pero hindi nila na-sustain, Kasi hindi nagbago yung self-image, yung identity. At may kakilala ka rin ba na matalino naman, magaling naman, masipag naman, taking massive action every single day, pero hindi pa rin nila makuha yung bagay na gustong gusto nila, no matter how hard they try. Because again, hindi kasi nagbago yung self-image at identity. So for you to reach your grandest vision and sustain it, you have to rebuild yourself. And in the process of rebuilding yourself, diyan napapasok ang step number 5, which is break and create patterns. So base sa lahat ng na-discover mo, from step 1 to step 4, you have to break the old patterns of yourself. Kasi nga, you are rebuilding yourself. You have to break all the patterns na hindi naman nakakatulong sa'yo. If you are trying to build a career, if you're trying to build a business, tapos puro banding, puro inuman, mga bagay na nakaka-distract sa'yo, mga bagay na hindi naman nakakatulong sa'yo, you have to learn how to say no. You have to break the old patterns. You can always go back to inuman. You can always go back to bonding. But again, right now, you are rebuilding yourself. So you have to say yes to yourself first. Especially saying yes to your new self. So base sa lahat ng patterns na na-recognize mo, yung mga patterns na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, yung mga patterns na hindi mahalaga, yung mga patterns na hindi meaningful, yung mga patterns na humaharang sa'yo para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Again, balikan natin yung step 1. When we show up, you will see the patterns, which is step 2, na baka tamad ka, baka pabebe ka, baka masyado kang emosyonal, baka hindi ka decided lagi, baka complacent ka. Whatever it is that's holding you back, break those patterns. And then everything that's working for you. Because again, if you are alive right now, if you are watching this video, you are probably winning in life. Meron ka namang nagagawang effective. Pwedeng mas marami yung hindi effective sa effective. But either way, meron ka pa rin nagagawang effective, and your job is to recognize the patterns again on the things that are working for you so you can duplicate it. So you can create new patterns around it. And I am who I am right now. I am able to achieve my goals and dreams, my dream life, guys. Because I know my patterns, I know the patterns around me, and I know how to create patterns in everything. Business, in my life, in my career, in my own structure. And that is how we can build self-mastery. And I have a good news for you if you are really committed to have self-mastery, to master your decisions, to master your patterns, to master your blueprint. We are extending the special one-time offer for early access in self-mastery, guys. Just click the link somewhere in this video and you will get a lot of bonuses if you will enroll right now. But hear me out. I'm really proud of the success blueprint, guys, because we are creating massive results. Even people from the inner circle of Tony Robbins, sila mismo nagsasabi, sobrang mura, sobrang effective, sobrang ganda ng success blueprint. At mas pinalalim pa natin yan sa self-mastery. And right now, we are conducting in-person events of self-mastery, and guys, we are creating results now. And I'm super excited now because this is creating a lot of change in all industries today. Kung mag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo, at balak mong magtanim ngayon habang may crisis pa, now is the perfect time. If you really wanna work smart, if you want to utilize and optimize all the tools available in the marketplace today, and maybe you already have skills na hindi mo nagagamit, it's time to get the self-mastery right now. So yun lang, guys, this is the end of the video, and always remember that all I want is for you to become more successful and for you to reach the next level success. Again, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon.